Good evening. I bring all the greetings and wishes from all the faculties and the team of Speed to you, and congratulations to you for a wonderful, great achievement of rank number 3 in specialty of DM Endocrinology in the exam of NEET SS 2020.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And a big thank you for you and the Speak team, sir.
Really nice to have you in the forum today in the platform to discuss about your achievement. And we want to know a brief history about yourself and where you did your medicine, post-graduation, and why you want to do DM endocrinology. Who inspired you to do DM endocrinology in spite of space that are available? And you will discuss this first, and next question will after your answer.
Yes, sir. So my name is Dr. Manasa, sir. I am basically from Sringeri, Karnataka. Studied my MBBS from MS Ramaya Medical College. I did my MD medicine from Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College, Safdarjung Hospital, Delhi. And I chose DM endocrine as my specialty because the many diabetes patient in my own family. And another inspiration will be endocrinologist in Safdarjung Hospital, Dr. Radhika ma'am. She has inspired us a lot during my third year of post-graduation. So I would say she was an inspiration for me, sir, to opt DM Endo as my subject.
So excellent. Now my next question is,
yes,
when did you start? How did you start? What is the course of preparation to reach rank number 3 in DM endocrinology?
Okay, sir, my journey is from rank 180 to rank 3, sir.
180 is in last NEET.
Yes, sir. That is without the help of Speed. So the Speed has played a very major role in getting a rank 3 from rank 180.
How do you say that?
So because I didn't know how to study last year, sir. I just studied whatever I felt it's important. But Speed laid that foundation which to concentrate and which not to concentrate. There's so many concepts which we hardly see in our MD practice in specialty pertaining to endocrine for that matter. I didn't have so much of exposure during my PG times. So the concept wise or what exactly the rarest diseases which we never come across during our MD times. So all the faculties of endocrine, I mean, I would really I would say huge thanks to them because they were really helpful and they made the topics very, very simpler for us and easy to understand and easy to remember. Every teacher for that matter, it was really a wonderful endocrine classes, and I don't know how much to thank Dr. Karthikeyan sir for medicine classes, that extensive classes. I don't know how to thank him. I mean, anything is less. And of course, the entire Speed teams.
So it's really great. It's really wonderful to hear from you. And this video will be seen by the faculties, all the faculties you mentioned, from the faculties of endocrinology and Dr. Karthikeyan in medicine. Definitely they will watch this video and will be feeling very happy. And and it's we can do a lot of things. We can study, we can work, but end of the day we need results.
Correct.
I mean, the results are important for first for the student who is preparing. Number two, the teachers and faculties and the team is working behind it, and they will also feel satisfied. Okay, we have done the right track and right.
Yes, sir.
Now, the next question which I want to ask you is, you have gone through the videos and probably you would have seen the test which has been, mock test which has been loaded. Now,
yes, sir.
Was your preparation is only on these videos and test, or did you read a specialty textbook for endocrinology?
Sir, to be really frank, sir, till March, before I joined Speed, I was studying only the subject wise, especially the Harrison I was studying. But when I joined Speed, After the class, I used to read only the class notes and only few topics which was important, which was taught in class. I used to go back in Williams and check, and only I used to highlight those important points. But I did not read entire Williams, to be really frank.
So, I mean, you have scored rank number 3, and it is not different from rank number 1 and 2. Again, those ranks are again taken by the students of speed. Again, probably you might have known now. Now,
Yes,
you
sir.
tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
I mean, is this video alone is enough uh, to uh, to compete this exam, or there should be some improvisation?
I would say 100% the entire, only the videos will help, sir, because I had made the notes of all the videos of the endocrine. And, during my, even during revision, I studied only the note,
Okay.
because reading that exhaustive textbook was not feasible, sir, with that short time.
This question was very specific because, I mean,
Yes, sir.
in case it was something we need to add on, we thought we should do it for the next year batch of students. That's the reason why I was asking this question. And
Okay.
my next question was, your
Yes.
preparation was, is it a full-time preparation, or you have been working and preparing simultaneously? What kind of preparation was that?
Sir, I finished my MD last year, sir. Last year, May, I finished. And from May to this March, I was working, sir. I was
Okay.
working as a senior resident, and from March till the exam, I dedicated my entire time for preparation.
From the period of lockdown, from the period of
Yeah.
probably from
Yes.
lockdown
Yes, sir. Yes.
till the exams.
Yes,
So
sir.
was the exam was getting postponed? I mean, we were not knowing when the exams were going to happen. Was
True,
the
sir.
postponement of exam was an advantage to you to get into this rank? What do you feel?
So definitely, sir. I don't deny on that because I got enough time for revision.
Okay.
Yeah. Definitely, I got enough time for revision.
Okay. Now you would have definitely shortlisted your colleges now for this rank. Now, what are your preferences? What is that you're going to choose?
So I have some personal commitments since I'm from Bangalore, so I would be opting St. John's, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's a great institute,
Thank
and
you, sir. Yeah.
definitely, of course, you will definitely look on to not only for the course and also the rest of the aspects of the course.
True,
Yes,
sir.
and
Yes, sir.
to all of them. Yes, I do agree, and definitely it's a great decision. And I wish once again for being in speed and also to join the forum after your achievement. And we will require your help and support and resources you as a faculty in speed once you
So,
join St. John's and you all complete with your
so to be really
admission
frank,
process.
I would be the most happiest person if you call me, sir.
I'll call you. Definitely, I will call you, and
Yes, sir.
and whatever that you can contribute in any form.
Definitely,
And
sir.
definitely,
Anytime, sir. Anytime, sir.
speed
So,
will love to have that.
sir, one more thing, sir. For all the, the DM endocrine aspirants, I would really ask them to opt for speed, sir, because it has helped definitely. And considering the other institutes who also give tuitions, but I would consider speed as not only in terms of it has that emotional bonding towards students, sir. That I have not seen in any of the tutorials, sir. So that I would definitely say students that please opt for speed, because nobody would have done medicine classes and endocrine classes for such time, and in spite of so much of hurdles we had to go through because of this COVID crisis. But still, the entire team of speed managed to give all the lecturers give all the lectures on time, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Without the speed team, maybe I wouldn't have reached the position what I am in presently.
And I thank you. Great words of the team, and
Thank you,
we
sir.
will work on behalf of the entire team. I also assure you, and
Thank you, sir.
we will work more than what you have done last year to make it even more better in years to come. So
Thank you,
go
sir.
ahead and be happy,
Thank you, sir.
and all happiness for you. And years to come, you as a great personality in DM endocrinology, in the
Thank you
field of
so
DM
much, sir.
endocrinology, you make a career and you make a mark in the specialty, and you will be looked upon to that, and we all will look upon to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
That means a lot, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So God bless you. Keep going.
Thank you.
All the best. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Bye-bye.